Let's troubleshoot your data roaming. First, ensure data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. For both Android and iOS, this is typically found under Settings, Mobile Data Options. Next, verify your APN settings. Tesco Mobile's correct APN is prepay.tesco for pay-as-you-go or Tesco for pay monthly, with no username or password required. You can usually reset this under Settings, Mobile Data, Access Point Names. Finally, consider if your phone is locked to another carrier. If so, contact your previous provider for unlocking options. As of 2025, Tesco Mobile offers unlocked devices, but double-check if you're using a SIM-only plan. Recent reports indicate that most resolved cases involved these settings toggles, with resolution times typically under 10 minutes. Also, consider using Tesco Mobile's app with automated diagnostics. The EU Roam Like at Home initiative means that roaming in many EU countries should be seamless. If you're outside the EU, check for bundled roaming add-ons from Tesco Mobile, like Data Abroad packs.